Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Design with LEESI. If you have been having challenges with how to navigate the CapCut app on your PC, then in this video I'm going to show you the interface, where you can find what and where you can also find that. Okay, all right. So I did a video on how to install this CapCut on your PC. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll link the video in the description now. So you go to the description of this video, or it's going to show up on the screen. Tap on that and go and watch that video on how to install CapCut on your PC. Okay, it's a step-by-step tutorial I did there with illustration, so you can go and watch that. So all right, so let's go back to our business of today. So when you after installing the CapCut, you are going to see when you open it up on your PC, you are going to see an interface like this. Okay, before I forget, I also did a video on how to install Pixel Lab on your PC also. So I'll also link that in the description. Go and watch that video on how to install Pixel Lab. For those who are using Pixel Lab, you can install it on your PC. All right, so let's go back. So when you install the CapCut app, you are going to see this interface like this. So this is the first interface you will see when you open it up. Okay, so pay attention. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to this channel now and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Okay, so I do a lot of job in explaining these videos to you. Okay, so here you will see the sign in button. If you want to sign in, you can sign in, but I don't sign in. Then here you can see the home button. Then here you can see new project. Then here you can see some other settings. You can see the setting, you can see minimize, maximize and cancel button there. Then here you can see the auto reframe. Maybe by the time you are watching this video, maybe some of these things might have changed, but it will still be the same CapCut. All right, you know, apps are updating every day. Then here you can see all the projects that you have okay, so here you can see all the projects that you have worked on. Then here you can search your project. Here you can arrange your project. Then here you can delete, select a project. You can trash your project. Okay, all right, so I've explained all this now. Okay, so let's open a new project and see how the main editing interface looks like. Okay, all right, so now click on new project to import to start a new project. So I'm going to click on that. When you click on that, the interface will disappear and open up again, so you can see interface loading. Okay, so this is it. Let me put this inside the area I'm recording. Okay, so this is the area I'm recording. All right, so this is the area I'm recording. Okay, so when you open up that new project, this is the interface you are going to see. So you can see that the entire interface is kind of dry. It's dry. There's no life to it. Okay, until you import a new project. So here you can use this option to import. You can import videos, you can import audios, you can also import photos. So those are the three things you can import that CapCut support. Okay, so we want to import all this now. So this is what we are going to do. Just click on the import option that you see here. Just click on this import option and it's going to take you to your file manager. So anywhere your file is, you can navigate to that place. So let me go to my download and import just a clip. So let me import this clip. So select the clip and click on open. So when you do that, it's going to import that clip here. Okay, so you can see what we have imported. All right, so now this is what you are going to do to add this clip to your layer. Because okay, before that, let me explain each of these tools now. Okay, so at the top here, we can see we have menu. You can see the auto save is on. We have menu here. Then on this other side, you can see the some of the shortcuts there. You can see export option. You can see close and minimize and maximize. Then here we have, so let me explain this step by step. Okay, So let me label this so that I will explain this step by step. All right, so let's call this 1, we call this 2, call this 3, call this 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let me do a good job in explaining this now. All right, so we have something like this. So let's talk about the where we have label 1 here. So here we have our menu option. We have our menu options, so you can click on the menu, you will see all other things. We have file, um layout, and all this other stuff. Some of the things you can set here. Then here on the 2 here we have export, minimize, maximize, and cancel. Then 3 here we have media, audio, text, stickers, effect, transition, filters, and if you click here we have adjustment. Okay, so those are the things we have there. I'll tell you how you can use most of these stuffs in our subsequent video, where we'll be talking about how you can edit using this CapCut. So you have to subscribe to the channel now so that you don't miss out on that. All right, then here we have 4. So any tool that you click here, if you click, look at our tool is on media, that's why we're having this option. So if I should click on audio, this option will change. In our 4 here, these options will change. If I should click on text, this option, your eye should be on the 4, the box 4 here. These other options will also change, giving you access to do so many things under text. If I should click on stickers, the option in the box 4 will change. So everything up here in box 3, if you click on any of the things inside box 3, then box 4 will change, giving you access to do some things pertaining to the option you click on box 3. Okay, so that's that. When we start editing, when we talk about that, I'll also discuss that also. Then if you see our box 5 here, so if I should select this audio, this video that I uploaded, it's going to preview, giving you preview access. So it's previewing everything you click on the box 4. So it's giving you the preview access on box 5. Then box 6 here is giving you details of what is appearing in box 5. Okay, that's what is giving you details of. So you can see the name of this video that we uploaded, we imported, is this is the name. Then this is where the location of the video is saved, then original and all that, frame rate, keep in original place and all that. Okay, then let's go to box 7. So the box 7 here, we have the tools here. So this is select, split, select left word, select right word. Okay, so subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on any of my upload when I will do a video on how to edit using this CapCut. Then this is the undo button. So let's just add our clip here. So to add your clip to, this is your timeline. The box 8 is your timeline where you do all your editing to your stuff. Okay, so let's move on. So let me clean this and we move on. So select your, okay, so now select the video we imported. Let's select this video, select it here, drag it here. So we select the video and drag it over here. Okay, this is our timeline. Like I said, this is our timeline. So now this is the timeline here. Okay, so you can see immediately we add the video to our timeline, you can see these other options, they came to life. So this other option here came to life, so you can use this to work on our video in our timeline. So you can also see this other option, everything here comes to life. Okay, so I'm just explaining this interface to you and what is. Okay, so let's move on now. So this arrow is for split. If I want to split this video, I'll use that arrow, I'll use this option. I'll also show you shortcut when we start using this. Then this other arrow is for you are splitting it backward, then this other one splitting forward, then this delete. All these things controls what happens here. Okay, then this one, okay, I haven't used that before. Then this one is the replay, then this one is flip, this one is um rotate, and this one is to crop our video. All right, so let's see how they work. So this is what we are going to do. So select your video. This is your video. Select the video first. If you should select the video, okay, this is called playhead. This is called playhead. This vertical line that you see here is called playhead. Okay, so anywhere this playhead head is, that's what is showing here, is at that position that is showing here. Okay, so let's move on. So if I should slide my playhead backward or forward, you can see it's changing here. The position of this is changing here. So let's play this video. You can see our video is playing. All right, so if you want to split this video, this is what you do. You select the split option, take the playhead, just play take the playhead to where you want to split, then click on the split. It's going to split you, so you can see we have two video. You can see we have two video. Okay, all right, so the next one is take the playhead here, you split. Is going to split and cut out the other side of it. Okay, so we cannot talk more about this because this video is just to explain the interface. So when we talk about how to use this to edit videos and all that, then you will understand most of this better. So I'm just showing you where to get anything on this interface. So if you want to get or add audio to your video, you click on the audio here and you can see audios, but your data connection should be on because you'll be downloading most of this audio. So let's just add this audio, but we are not going to play this. Sorry, so we are not going to play that so that I don't get into problem with this audio copyright and all that on my channel. All right, so this is the audio, so we can just drag and add the audio to your video. Then if you want to add text, this is the default text. You can just add text to click on the add button here and it will add text to your screen. So that is that. This is how you can navigate this CapCut interface on your PC. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do well to do that now so that you don't miss my uploads on this CapCut editing. So we are going to do more videos on how to edit using this CapCut on your PC. Okay, so you can agree with me that the interface of this CapCut on your PC is different from how the interface looks like on your mobile phone. I also have a video for those using on a mobile phone. I have introduction video on CapCut on your mobile phone. So I'll link that video in the description also on how to navigate the interface of CapCut on your Android or your Apple phone. So you can check that video out and watch that video. Okay guys, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. We have a lot to cover on this CapCut, so I will do videos from time to time so you are not going to miss out and you will know how to use this CapCut app.